Wyoming Medical Center is centrally located in Casper and has been serving its community since 1911 when it opened with just 35 patient beds. Today, the center covers over 700,000 square feet with 150 physicians on staff and continues to grow.
Wyoming Medical Center is a county-owned, not-for-profit organization. We are the premier healthcare facility for Natrona County, pretty much the central region in Wyoming.
Logitag partnered with Improve Group to find the unique solution needed for Wyoming Medical Center.
We've got a storeroom with a lot of items, but they're not very expensive items.
We're searching for a system that would help automate the process for the materials folks. We had kind of decided that we wanted to go with this Kanban system. We knew the nurses would be happy.
There are many stressors. Probably one of the biggest things is we need to plan ahead. Because if a person is having a heart attack, we want to be sure that we get all their medications that they need on board and get them to the cath lab. Like one nurse goes in and starts gathering all the supplies to get the IV started. It's very stressful.
So we met 3 gentlemen and they sat with us and kind of explained the system to us, and I was all over it. I really liked the Kanban part of it. Kathy really liked the shelving part of it. And then we just had to figure out how to make it all work.
You pull a card, you put it in a box. I mean, how much easier could this be? And that's why it's expanding. We are expanding it to our OR. We had existing interfaces with McKesson. We just patterned our interface off the one we already had. It's a very simple interface.
Making sure we do have the supplies coming in, making sure everyone is stocked on the floors. I think that's the biggest hump right there.
Our days change, everything from the ER to the delivery room to the med floor. Depending on patient load, the demands on the inventory are dynamic and constant.
Our trauma was our trial. And so I know people in the MedPod area, instead of going to the MedPod side, they would come to the trauma side to get their stuff versus going in to press the buttons.
And this is one of the few systems that I've seen that has the flexibility of providing what's needed right now, as well as providing for the unexpected. The staff that we work with here at the hospital, they're out there running all day long, and anything that we can do to help them not have to spend time fiddling with stuff. They don't have to fuss with the system. They go get what they need, they use it, they drop the card on the way out the door. It's very easy and simple. They can do their job, and this StockBox, the Logitag, it all supports that.
Logitag has quite a bit of data in the system, and we'll be able to do some analysis on par levels, adequate par levels, take the opportunity to reduce some stock.
You as a nurse or a tech or a paramedic that needs equipment would make your life so much easier.
Today, just today, I received a new StockBox. I had it ready to deploy in less than 5 minutes. The hardest part is taking it out of the box.
No counting. That's the whole basis of a Kanban system, is there's no counting.
I can see the real advantage.
Product just makes sense. It's not something that's going to challenge anybody.
We would certainly recommend StockBox, and Logitag was wonderful to work with.
I expect to hear from people to call and ask, how did we like the StockBox? How did we like the Improve Group? How did it work out for us? So yeah, I'll be talking with people. I look forward to that. Good stories to tell.
Nearly 400,000 saved in counting and restocking. Improved efficiency for clinical staff. No expired items, waste, or stockouts. Easier access to supplies. Real-time reports and analytics. More time for patient care. StockBox, part of Logitech's unified healthcare solution suite.